O Chromio, Chromio, wherefore art thou, Chromio? Oh, there you are. Fun fact, wherefore art thou means why are you, while where art thou means where are you. Sometimes they get confused with the way it was said in the Shakespeare play. Anyway, Chrome Zephyr. This fan is from July of 1981, and it has antique white stencil blades. It came to me 100% complete. The downrod it came with is, I believe, 18 inches long, so couldn't necessarily use that unless it was on a higher ceiling. But not that I ordinarily use the regular downrod when testing fans in this particular spot anyways. The chrome has a little bit of pitting on it, but hopefully I can buff that up. So, when I got this fan, the switch housing electronics were all disassembled and gutted because the hate against SQ is real. So I had to reassemble it myself. And after many wire splices and burning through like 150 wire nuts, it is back intact. And it doesn't work 100% perfectly, as the low end is a little fast, but I'm not complaining. Really, it's just that the low end of the SQ is more of a functional low rather than an aesthetic low, as this is minimum speed on the SQ, and it's more along the lines of what low speed on a Slumber 3 fan would be like. But it's really not that big of a deal, and again, I'm not complaining. Maybe at some point, if this board starts to wear down more, or if I just happen to have a spare lying around, I could always swap it out to fully get the full SQ range, but again, for now this is perfectly fine. We'll bump it up a bit. The fan is in very good shape in terms of how it runs, as the bearings are very quiet. And aside from the slight pitting of the chrome, it is also in good shape cosmetically. And in general, the blades are pretty well balanced, too. Of course, again, this mounting style wobble is obligatory. You do get a little bit of a motor hum, but that sometimes be the case. So, as most of you are probably aware, chrome was one of the earliest Casablanca finishes, being finish number 5, and it lasted quite a long time. I believe it was discontinued sometime in the early 2000s, as I believe it may have been replaced with brush nickel somewhere around there. I know that there was a period where chrome and brush nickel did coexist, but I believe that chrome was discontinued at some point. And that's just shy of full speed. And then that's full speed. Since this Zephyr is from '81, it does have the K63 style shell with the flat switch housing, the wider sideband, and the taller switch cap. And very well balanced and very quiet. And there you go, a K55 Slumber Quiet Casablanca Zephyr in chrome.